In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram in 2023. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So, in order to recover your deleted messages on Instagram, what you need to do is to open the Instagram application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and go to your activity. Now scroll down and click on the last option, download your information. Tap on request a download. Make sure that your Instagram account is selected and click on next. Then click on the second option, select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover our deleted Instagram chats, therefore select this messages option and click on next. And then tap on submit request. After you click on submit request, within the next 24 hours, a file containing your deleted chats on Instagram will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted Instagram messages will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.